Hey guys, so this video is going to be about how I make my aloe vera gel, so stay tuned. Alright, so let's get started. So of course, this is a product that I'm making specifically for one of my customers. I do make custom items for a lot of my customers for facial routines and even hair routines. So of course I am putting on my gloves, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting up my aloe vera. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start by taking my knife and slicing my aloe vera leaf into a few big chunks, so that way it'll be easier for me to scoop it out and of course put it in my blender. Now this product, I am putting certain things that are specific to my customer to pinpoint some of the issues that she is having with her facial routine. However, she can also use this on her hair as well. Of course, it is her option, but you just slice off the ends on both sides and then slice it down the middle, so that way when you're ready to scoop it, you just scoop it from each side of the leaf. Okay, so now as you can see, I am slicing it in the middle, so I can go ahead and prepare to scoop it. So you'll see that I'll eventually get my spoon. I'm trying not to cut myself. Not really good with knives, and it is kind of difficult with these gloves, but you just take the middle. You can't really see it, but and take your spoon and just scoop out the gel and put it in the blender. And I do tend to scrape it to make sure I get as much as I can, of course, to fill up my jar that I am making for this customer. And then just continue the same process for all of the chunks that you pull out and just put it in your blender. All right, so now it's time to blend. It probably would have been smarter for me to keep the little blades in the middle while I was scooping the aloe vera gel inside my blender, but it's okay. I couldn't even get it close all the way because of that fact, but it's okay. So what I do is I just blend it for a little bit. I kind of do look at it to see if I can see any visible chunks. If so, I just keep blending it until it is good enough for myself. You do it based on your preference. And then we're going to go ahead and, of course, strain it after we're done blending. Okay, so now I am straining it. Now I usually buy like stocking wig caps to strain my aloe vera gel, but I ran out. I didn't have any more, so this is a strainer that I use for my other products. I only use it for my products. I bought it from Dollar Tree for about $1, so it's really not expensive, and it pretty much worked the same way for me. I just had to kind of mix it around in the strainer to make sure that the aloe vera gel was getting out and that those chunks were staying inside the strainer. Alright, so now these are just some of the things that I put in this one that is specific for the customer. So I just added some vitamin C, some vitamin E, along with some sweet almond oil and some other ingredients as well to add to my gel. But you can also just use aloe vera gel by itself. This is just to help preserve the product, as well as, like I said, pinpoints her specific issues or the things that she wants to improve for her skin. Now that I have mixed all of those things together, I'm going to go ahead and pour my aloe vera gel inside of my jar, and that is it. So it really doesn't take a lot to make aloe vera gel. It's really simple. You only need a few things, a knife, spoon, blender, and a strainer, and you're good to go. Now, to preserve your aloe vera gel, you can put a couple of things in it. Of course, lemon preserves it. You can put lemon oil in it. Orange oil helps preserve it. You can add honey. You can pretty much add anything to the aloe vera gel to make it for yourself, for your specific needs. Some people also use aloe vera gel along with alcohol to make hand sanitizers. So there you have it, and there's the aloe vera gel.